Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Google or your Apple account or your email address and your password to log in. After you have been logged in, you will be taken into the main markets page, from which, if you wish to set up any price alert within the application, then you can tap on the account icon at the top right corner first. Now from the account icon page, go ahead and tap on settings, and then underneath settings, you will first need to enable push notifications. Tap on push notifications, and then you will be asked to allow the settings if you don't have it already. Go ahead and tap on the allow button, and now you will see this page. Now from this page, you will see the price alert option. Make sure this toggle is turned on, and then tap on the manage option. Now from the manage option, you will be able to tap on add price alert. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to select which currency or crypto you want to set up price alert for. Go ahead and tap on your desired currency or crypto, and you will be asked what kind of alert you want to receive. You can type the specific value and then choose whether you want to be notified by price or by percentage. You can choose whichever option you want, and then tap on set price alert. Once you do this, you will be able to see your price alert option for this particular crypto. You can also add multiple alerts for the same crypto by both price and percentage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up price alerts for your desired crypto on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.